Kaunti ya Meru ni kwa muteithiriria wa Minister wa Arimi Kilimo acerete na kiondo kibemba-ine gutuga arimi a thamaki kaunti-ini ino.
Fisheries Secretary Madam.
Urimi wa thamaki uria urathi na mbere gutambia miri yayo gatagati ka bururi niguo guciririe thirikari nene kugerera mubango ikaine ta IFAD kuhura arimi ya njeki.
This trip here is to bring input as in terms of the materials required for aquaculture.
Mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa urimi wa thamaki guku bururi-ini ahinyiririe arimi aya guthomithania o ene amu nyungu ni ya mahiga matatu na niguo maume gikiro-ini gia kurimaga o thamaki cia kuria tu indi nginyagia thamaki mariendagia nja wa kaunti ino na urimi uyu utuke niguo mwihocio wa kimuhuko.
So you need to be talking together, sharing knowledge, visiting each other. Ujue vile mwingine amefanya ili tuende huko mbele. Si ndio namna hiyo? We want to commercialize aquaculture in 15 na tumeongeza 2 sasa in 17 counties.
Thirikari ya kaunti ndetigitwo na thutha guthuthira urimi uyu wa thamaki amu ni hotete kuheana indo itiganite cia kugacirithia urimi uyu.
We've also got about 18 boxes, the coolers for transportation from the farms to the refrigerated van for collection and then eventually to the designated collection center. We have also been in a position to buy about 20 fishing nets for the farmers as the county government. We have also bought about 40 tons of fish fins for our farmers.
Riu arimi ni maikirio ritana ria kuhimbiria urimi uyu kuona ni urimi utarabatara kiaya kinene kia kutabaniria.
You don't require a lot of land to do fish farming. In a very small portion, even at the at the compound of your house, you can be in a position to to be able to farm fish. So let our farmers do this in a very big way.
Na kuona bururi ndurimaga thamaki cia kuigana ukoretwo ukirehe thamaki kuma nja niguo kuhunia thoko ya Kenya undu uria njobi oritie arimi kuihuria ithenya riu.
We've also been complaining that there's a lot of fish from China, but you see we don't have enough. When we have enough, then there'll be no market for them to bring their fish here. And so we are here to promote that.
Kimwe gia gituge gia President Kenyatta ni gutigirira bururi ni wagia na buthi wa irio na njebi augite mari ihenya-ini ria kuhingia kioneki giki. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV Tisagwo Wini Kimani.